So we're starting off with freshly washed hair. As you can see, I blow dried it out. If you want to see what I used to wash my hair with, just watch the video before this. You're going to need FlexiRods of any size of your choice and a mousse of your choice. I'm using Cream of Nature's, So we're just going to get started. So I did speed up this video because I didn't want it to be too long, and I do have a video on me FlexiRodding my hair. I just wanted to show you guys, an updated version. But yeah, I'm taking small sections, as you can see, and just applying the mousse on it. And as you can see, it's kind of like I'm making it flat so I can get that little Shirley Temple look. You'll see at the end what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's like no special way of me rolling it up. But just continue watching the video, guys. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. It's possible. Anytime you want, girl, it's true. I take my time when I'm loving you. I don't wanna walk into two. So I'm just going to separate them.